Devanahalli is not just growing, it's transforming. And Sumadura Panorama places you right in the middle of it. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Sumadura Panorama Phase 2 developed by Sumadura Group. And this project is located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual land parcel. So this is the marketing office of the project and the main entrance is right in the front of me over here. The land parcel starts from here and goes up to 100 plus acres. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And Sumadura Panorama is 114 acre of development project divided into phases, where phase 1 is already been launched and 80% sold out. Now they are launching with phase 2 in approx 40 acre of land parcel consisting of 440 plots where there is 10 acre of curated open space. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located near National Highway 44 in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this will be the main entrance of our project, and this road will connect you towards National Highway 44. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Devanahalli Business Park in just 15 minutes. Prestige Tech Cloud is also 15 minutes away. KIADB Aerospace Park is 20 minutes away and Kempegowda International Airport is 17 minutes away from the project. Now about the amenities part, and Sumadura Panorama offers you South Indian style luxurious amenities like of a grand clubhouse which includes all the indoor amenities. You get 3 types of pool, as well as hut sitting, tennis court, basketball court, cricket pitch, football court and many more. Now let's discuss about the plot size, and we get variants in plots where the plot size is starting from 1200 square feet, 1500 square feet and goes up to 2400 square feet. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently Sumadura Panorama Phase 2 is in pre-launch stage and our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI, that is expression of interest. So everyone, this was a teaser of Sumadura Panorama Phase 2 by Sumadura Group located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.